We gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you and hop on my wave. I helped your style.
Back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. Here is OUTRE lace front, perfect hairline, and this style is Kira. I have it in the color golden amber. Take a look at their stock card. As you can see, the hair can be styled in different ways and they do have a lot of colors. This is how the hair looks, guys, straight from the box. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. Let's get down to the cap construction. As you can see here, it has an elastic band, it has an adjustable strap at the back, a comb at the back, and two combs on either side. This unit is a 13x4 lace unit. I'll go right ahead and put the unit on, and as you can see, it is a hair-to-hair lace. It is also pre-plucked.
I want you. X for a reason. So last season, you can have my second spot thing. Don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real. Never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check. I got a big ego. Such a huge ego.
I'll put the hair to the back in a ponytail to customize the unit. I like to cut this part of the lace before I lay the wig.
Your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bear. You acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick that feel like I did. So you better stop playing with me.
I am going in with the GOT2B Invisible Gel.
You build a bear. Your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bear. You acting like I was never there.
Now you want to use your blow dryer and make sure the glue or the gel is tacky.
Before this turns out ugly.
I am going in with a second layer of the GOT2B gel.
This is for my babies, for my babies, for my babies, for my babies.
Now we're ready to lay the lace, and you can use your comb and comb the hair back.
Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful.
I am going in with the GOT2B Freeze Spray.
Hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be.
Put your blow dryer on medium heat and make sure the gel is completely dried before you cut the lace.
Way pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, our love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels.
I like cutting the lace in the center so that it is easier to remove.
'Cause baby, our love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even gonna be you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every 'cause baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to.
You want to take the GOT2B free spray and spray the lace so that any edges that were lifting will be completely laid. Then you go ahead and tie the hair.
It's natural, and even if you let your hair go, baby, you can take a break from your favorite stiletto.
Now we're ready to lay the baby hairs.
That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. And even if you let your hair go wild in your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. So naturally, my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on high heels. You look good when you don't even try. To change, 'cause baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild in your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. So naturally, my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, not to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way.
This is how the hair looks before I styled it.
Baby, I love it's natural.
This is a very versatile unit. It can be styled in the center. It can also be styled as side parts. I am going for the side part look.
Love is natural.
I am adding some mousse to the hair.
Words and memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be.
As I can see so far, guys, this unit do tangled a bit. This is the amount of shedding I got.
Didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart
I am adding some powder to the parting space.
there's a reason to light the sky.
If you're looking for a gorgeous unit, this is the one for you guys. The only con I have with this unit, it do tangle a little. But other than that, it is an amazing unit, guys. I experienced minimal shedding. It is a full anti-13x4 frontal. It is ear to hair soft HD, transparent lace, natural baby hair. It comes with pre-attached elastic band. It is a pre-plucked hairline and it is ease friendly. Guys, what more could you ask for? The link is in the description down below. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, I do appreciate you all for watching. So if you like this video, leave your girl a thumbs up and share this video. Until next time, bye.
I hear your voice call in the night.